Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open 3MF file in Creality Print. So use this if you downloaded a file from a site and want to keep the creator's exact print settings. So if you want to do that, then let's head over here to the file, then select open project or open file. And now what we need to do is uh, find our downloaded file. So I have it. This one is the last one, and you see that it's 3MF file. So select this one and click open. All right. And just like so, you see now that we have the whole uh, project right over here. Now, if you just want to import geometry only, so for adding models to your own settings, you can use this if you only want the physical 3D shape. So look at the horizontal toolbar directly above the empty build plate grid view. And what you're going to do is click on add icon, the first one right over here. Now, like so, and select now here 3MF file. Uh, So the software will strip away any hidden slicing parameters and load the model onto your current setup as a clean blank uh, slate. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.